we first solve the equal equation, which says that 5 times x minus 1 squared times 16 minus x squared equals 0. Well, 5 is never 0, so that doesn't contribute anything. X minus 1 squared equals 0. 16 minus x squared equals 0. This says x equals 1, multiplicity 2, so there's no change. This is 4 minus x, 4 plus x, difference of squares, equals 0. X is 4, x is negative 4, multiplicity 1. Change. The question is, what am I looking for? I'm looking for y, negative and not equal to. So it'll be minuses. And then all these guys here, because they are zeros, are open dots. There's no domain issue because there's no denominator. So on my number line, I have negative 4, change 1, no change, 4, change. Now you don't have to do this. You could just pull a test point from each interval if you didn't want to do the change, no change. 0 is available to me, so x equals 0. So I have 5 times 0 minus 1 squared times 16 minus 0 squared. Well, 5 is positive, minus 1 squared is positive. 16 minus 0 squared is positive, positive. Positive, no change, positive, change negative, change negative. My answer is where I have the minuses because I'm looking for minuses. So this is going to be minus infinity, negative 4, union 4 infinity. Now here, I want y positive, so I'm looking for pluses. Equal, this means solid, zeros. So I first solve the equal equation, that's just the numerator. That's where x minus 3 squared, x plus 2 equals 0. The not equal, that's where the denominator, x minus 5 cubed, can't be 0. This says x is 3, multiplicity 2, so there's no change. X is negative 2, multiplicity 1, so change. And since these are equal, these guys are solid. X minus 5 cubed, well, x can't be 5. This is my VA, and this is open, but it's also multiplicity odd. So there's a change across the VA. So on my number line, see what's my smallest numbers, negative 2. That's a solid dot. And then I have 3. That's a solid dot. And I have 5. That's an open dot. That's a VA. Negative 2, multiplicity 1, change. 3, multiplicity 2, no change. 5, multiplicity odd, change. Now I pull my test point, x equals 0, because that's easier to deal with. This is 0 minus 3 squared, 0 plus 2 over 0 minus 5 cubed. 0 minus 3 squared is positive. 2 is positive. Minus 5 cubed, well, that's negative. So positive divided by a negative is negative. No change, negative. Change, positive. Negative, change, positive. And I'm looking for positives. So it would be minus infinity, negative 2, solid dot, open dot, 5, infinity.